Open up an AI chatbot. Ask it to converse with you in Spanish or French and correct your mistakes. It feels like you're practicing, but without a roadmap, you're mostly just spinning your wheels and reviewing words you already know. To actually reach fluency, the chatbot shouldn't replace your study sessions. Instead, it becomes the core engine inside a much larger, highly specific assembly line of different language learning tools. This animated diagram illustrates our end goal. We are building a unified system that connects that core AI engine to the 6 necessary components of language acquisition: reading, writing, listening, speaking, vocabulary, and fluency. By mapping the strict step-by-step curriculum of a traditional textbook onto the dynamic processing power of AI, you transform random chats into a predictable, highly efficient mechanism for learning. Step 1 is blueprinting. Give your AI a prompt to act as a textbook author. Instruct it to build a comprehensive syllabus from the A1 beginner level up to C1, complete with precise grammatical structures and thematic goals like going shopping or navigating an airport. Once you have that roadmap, you tell the AI to generate your daily vocabulary and sentence chunks based on those exact lessons. Crucially, ask it to format this output as a CSV spreadsheet file. This flow shows how the text table converts into a spreadsheet, importing directly into Anki to automatically create digital flashcards. Next, you run those sentences through a text-to-speech tool, attaching native-sounding audio files directly to the back of your cards. You need to strictly tap your intake at 15 to 25 new words per day. The spaced repetition algorithm will compound your reviews over time, and taking on more than 25 words will quickly overwhelm your daily study schedule. When executed daily, this system guarantees that you actually commit the foundational vocabulary and grammar from your syllabus to long-term memory. Now that you have a memory base, step 2 is generating immersive input. Generic textbook audio is often slow and unnatural. Instead, you can use tools like AI Vocal to generate long-form, podcast-style dialogues perfectly tailored to your exact proficiency level. If you want to learn historical terms, you can input a highly specific topic, like the history of the Statue of Liberty, and the system will output a 15-minute conversation in your target language, using the exact vocabulary you want to practice. For reading, AI acts as an analytical bridge. You can snap a photo of a page from a native novel, upload it, and ask the LLM to extract and define difficult vocabulary before you even start reading. You can also ask the AI to generate what linguists call Leipzig glosses. This standard notation system breaks a complex foreign sentence down into a hyper-literal, word-by-word grammatical translation. By mapping out the precise function of every single prefix, root, and suffix, the AI lets you manually decode sentence structures that would otherwise be entirely opaque to beginners. Generating these personalized, pre-translated materials removes the intense frustration of looking up every third word. You consume much more native material much earlier in your learning process. Step 3 moves from passive consumption to active production. It's time to generate output under pressure using dedicated conversational AI applications. Applications like Universal allow you to construct precise roleplay scenarios. Instead of a generic prompt about ordering coffee, you can command the AI to simulate a tense negotiation over a software bug with management, forcing you to use highly specific professional vocabulary. To make this effective, you need tools like the Speak app, relying on near-zero latency voice models. When the AI responds instantly, without an awkward processing pause, it forces your brain to truly develop real-time conversational reflexes. Other platforms, like Memrise, take this a step further by matching their chatbots with actual street footage of native speakers. You practice interacting with people who mumble, use heavy slang, and talk over the background noise of a busy cafe. Practicing in these messy, unscripted environments builds the mental endurance you need to take your academic vocabulary and actually use it fluidly in the real world. Producing all this output carries a risk. If you speak quickly without catching your errors, you will permanently fossilize bad grammar habits into your muscle memory. Step 4 is establishing a safety net. When practicing with human partners on apps like HelloTalk, you can run your drafted messages through an AI grammar checker to correct your conjugation before you actually hit send. This animated diagram illustrates how smart review systems work for spoken practice. If you mess up a preposition during an audio roleplay, the AI isolates that specific failure point and continuously routes it back into your future conversations until you get it right. By tightly coupling fast-paced practice with immediate, strict corrections, your accuracy improves at the exact same rate as your speaking speed. We've mapped out the complete architecture. You generate a structured syllabus, feed it into daily audio flashcards, bridge the gap with custom podcasts, build reflexes through instant roleplay, and polish it all with automated grammar loops. Every single step in this workflow targets reading, writing, listening, speaking, vocabulary, or fluency. To get started, open your preferred AI chatbot right now and prompt it to draft your Level 1 learning plan. You no longer have to rely on expensive tutors or relocate to a foreign country to learn a language. Everything you need is available on your computer. You just have to sit down and execute the pipeline.